Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a special case where you guys can skip OLL on 2x2. Just a quick disclaimer before we begin, you guys must know how to predict your OLL in inspection time if you guys want to learn this trick. So let's not waste any time and get right into the trick. So let's say you have a 3-move face on white here, RU R prime into this T case from this angle. Instead of doing something like this, R U2 and then like cancelling into the T case, what you can do instead is hold it from this angle and do U2 L prime U2 L, and that's literally what the trick is. Now I know what you guys might be thinking, this is literally so silly. However, a lot of people, including myself at one point, have no idea that this exists. Now later in the video I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of places where this trick can actually come in handy, but before that just apply this crumble on your cube. Alright, so this was my former PR single of 1.75 seconds at RGIT Cube Open 2019, and what literally everyone did here was something like this, RU R prime into this case. Literally the best time on this scramble was a 1.02 by Amir Saifi, which secured him the Asian record average of 1.47, and he literally did that exact solution that I showed you guys. But what all of us actually missed here is we could have literally done U2 L prime U2 L and ended up with the last layer skip with a UAUF, so that would have literally been a 5-mover. So yeah, overall that was pretty silly on our part. However, now let me just show you guys a couple of cases where this can come in handy. Now the first case is pretty obvious, it's just a lefty version of what I showed you guys earlier. L prime U prime L into this. Instead of that you can just do U2 R prime into some PBL. Next, let's say you have something like this, R2 U R prime into this. What you can do is F and then U2 L prime U2 L to this J perm. Or if you have something like F R U R prime into this, what you can do is L U2 L prime U2 L into a J perm. So yeah, there are quite a few more cases where this can be applied. Just any face that ends with RU R prime and has a T case from that angle. So that's about it for this special trick. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Goodbye.